Alright, so this is going to be a really quick video on something that I should have done a long time ago. Preferably before I went on my 2,500, 3,000, I don't know how many miles exactly, road trip. And that, we're gonna clean our air filter. Why? That's very important. You need that. And I don't think I've cleaned it in a very long time, to be honest with you. Oh, that hood's going up slowly. I think I might need to replace those sometime soon, too. Alright, got the air box out. Just put that there for now. Alright, looking at the filter closely, it looks like there's a lot of junk and crap in there. And this also gives me a chance to inspect the lines of the air oil separator. Surprisingly, or not surprisingly, there are no leaks. And there is the air filter. Quite a bit of stuff in there, but it's actually not that bad. Pretty sure if I shake it out, all of these embedded particles are going to come right out. And while you're at it, it's also a good time to take a look at your Maf sensor. If you haven't cleaned it in a while, I suggest now is the time to do it. And I have some mass airflow cleaner. You can pick this up at any AutoZone or Kragen or your local auto parts store. Alright, so I'm in the middle of cleaning my air filter, and I am just curious, and I know you guys might be too, what is inside the air oil separator. Now, I have the Perrin Air Oil Separator. I've had it on for about, I don't know, 6,000-7,000 miles now, but there are many reasons why you want an air oil separator, and this is one of them. So as you guys know, the Perrin Air Oil Separator is serviceable, it is removable. So that's what the filter element inside the Perrin Air Oil Separator looks like at about 5,000 or 6,000 miles, and all that junk right there is completely normal. All that stuff's gonna pretty much get burnt when coolant runs through that plate at the bottom. It's just gonna liquefy that even more. The car has been sitting for over a day now. Pretty interesting. So what do you guys think? Keep in mind that my car is on ethanol. My ethanol content right now is at about E60. I was expecting to see more of that white, gunky, milky stuff, but apparently it's not that as bad as I thought it would be. Air oil separator is definitely one of those mods that you need just to keep your engine and your valves and all that stuff clean, along with an EGR delete, or just unplug your EGR module. So I removed the filter element, and that's what it looks like. Let me just brighten it up for you guys a little bit. So if you don't already have one, I highly suggest you check out an air oil separator for your car. I guarantee it's going to save your intake valves from a whole bunch of gunk. I just wanted to make a video for you guys to show you what's inside of an air oil separator after a few thousand miles. Just to get you guys a better look on the actual canister itself, that's what it looks like. Like I said earlier, the car has been sitting for about, I don't know, 16 hours or so. So I assume all that stuff gets liquefied as coolant runs through the plate and liquefies all of this junk. But yeah, so looks like everything looks normal to me. So I've got a couple questions about that new air deflector piece. I don't know exactly what it's called off the top of my head right now, but you know, I'm on the fence on it right now. I really do want it, but the only reason why I haven't ordered it yet is I don't want to spend $300 you know, on that piece right now. But I think it's a nice functional mod. I would love to get it and do my own testing though. There are a bunch of manufacturers when it comes to intakes and different types of air filters when it comes to the 15 WRX. Just follow your manufacturer's recommendations on cleaning the filter. Some will require oil and some will not. So if your filter does require oiling, I highly suggest you not cake up the filter. And a lot of that filter will tend to run down and may cause some funky readings. It might screw up with the readings on your Maf sensor. And once you've let your filter dry for about 20 or 30 minutes, now you can put it back in the car. I like to wipe down some of that excess oil that I sprayed all over the filter. That's just me. But anyways, quick video for you. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.